straight.
All right, so we're going to this place called Tory's Den. It's kind of like a local. So yeah, just a nice little Sunday walk.
You got gloves?
No, I left them in my truck. It's not gonna be that cold. No, I'm fine. So on this trail, it's the legendary Leatherman's Trail, where he has caves and he used to sleep in them. So like Leatherman was like, they don't really know his identity, but they're pretty sure he was French Canadian because he had a like a French Bible, and his accent. He used to travel the northeast part of America, which was from New York into Connecticut. Plenty of trails in Connecticut that bring you to different locations of like Leatherman's caves. So yeah, this is one of them. Tory's Den, it's the Tungus Trail. And that place that I drove to today, Eric, when I parked, it said Mile of Ledges.
Yeah, we're gonna be going to that.
Yeah, there's gonna be another place that's called like
slippery, so
Mile of Ledges is very slippery. All right. So my buddy is like a hiking demon, and he just likes to go. Hey, say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
He says peace. I'll show you how nice it is here. I gotta get a gimbal. I think this is why they call it Mile of Ledges. So you can see in there, looks like there might be a little bit of a cave. These are little caves, but I don't think he was in these. These are really small. That's like a nice little ledge though. Up in there, that looks like a cave he might have stayed in. Pretty cool. Take this off. Wow. Dude, this is pretty cool. Dude, imagine this, like being this dude, just hiking this trail and just being like, this is like one of my 100 homes.
This looked like it was chiseled too in a sense.
Oh yeah, in the Leatherman's Cave. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, this is the real cave.
Yeah, this is the real cave. This is like the actual, like the main attraction here. Yeah. So the trail that we were going on is just too icy. All the rock cliffs are just glare ice. I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna go check this little cave that I was talking about earlier, and I'm gonna just go check that out. So let's go. right in there. It's not really much of a cave, kind of just, it looks a lot bigger from down there. Pretty cool though. Yeah. Huh. Alright, so yeah. Probably just gonna head back to my buddy Eric's house, gonna have a couple beers, and just chill. It was cool that we were able to go to like the main attraction there, like one of the main caves. There's plenty of other caves on that trail, but this was definitely like the major one, but we had to take like a shortcut. We couldn't actually follow the Tungus trail. It was just so icy, like it would have been a nightmare, and it was really dangerous. My buddy fell twice and he wanted to keep going, but I was like, dude, I can't miss work. Like I can't get injured and miss work. So yeah, just gonna head back to his house and have a couple beers and we'll see what happens.